Welcome back to the max class again. Okay, I hope you all celebrated the Christmas. Anyway, we'll start the class directly. So, in the last class, we are discussing about the differential equations. Okay, so I told you we are discussing about the first order differential equation. In the last class, we have discussed about the first order differential equation. Okay. So before we are going to start the class, I want everyone to say hi to me. So please come on, one by one, please say hi, then I will proceed. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Okay.
Hi, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. Right. So straight away, I will discuss the homogeneous differential equation. I told you there are three types of different first order differential equation. The first one we have discussed more about. This one is called variable separable method. The next one we call it as a homogeneous differential equation. So first of all, you see what is homogeneous. I hope everybody we have discussed this homogeneous even in a coordinate geometry. Homogeneous means it is called a same category. That is called homo. Homo means which is same. So if we have a function called dy by dx is equals to x square plus y square by x by y, let us take the degree of the numerator and degree of the denominator. The degree of the denominator is numerator is 2 and the denominator is also 2. See, so the degrees are all equal, even. So if we take xy plus x cube in the denominator, sorry, numerator, the degree in the first part, the first fractional part is 2. The degree in the second fractional part is 3, which means that this is not an homogeneous function. If the degree are same in both numerator and denominator separately, then we can say that is a homogeneous equation. In the very first class, in the beginning of the differential equation, I have given the steps to proceed, working rule to find out how the homogeneous differential equation. The step 1 says, your step 1 is equals to what? If the function is a homogeneous differential equation, listen carefully, there are three types. Okay, variable separable, homogeneous, and linear differential equation. Next one, we are going to discuss that. So out of these three, if the question is asked, solve or find the solution, you can use any type, whichever is comfortable for you, which one is very easy to you, you can follow that. Now, homogeneous, how I can separate, how I can find this is a homogeneous equation. Now, let us convert the given equation in the form of dy by dx. நல்லா கவனிச்சிங்க, ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷன் கொடுத்துருக்கானா அதை இமிடியேட்டா எப்படி கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணோம்? கன்வெர்ட் இன் டர்ம்ஸ் ஆஃப் dy by dx. அப்போ இந்த dy by dx ல கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்ட பிறகு you just go through the numerator. If the degree is same, you just go through the denominator. The degree is same. Then you confirm that this is called a homogeneous function. அப்போ எப்படி இந்த homogeneous function கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு சின்ன எக்ஸாம்பிள். Mathematically, how can I prove this is a homogeneous type? Now the function is given dy by dx is equals to x cube plus y cube, then x square y. So listen carefully. This is a differential equation is given to you. Now I can check whether this is a homogeneous or not. You just take this as dy by dx, comma x comma y. This becomes, see, you can put, sorry, this is in the form of x comma y. Let us consider this is called tx comma ty. Then what happened? This becomes t cube x cube, t cube y cube divided by x square and ty. Sorry, tx. Now you can take x cube, t cube common out. Sorry, t cube common outside. Then we have x cube plus y cube divided by t into x cube. Sorry, x cube y. So that is called x squared y. That is ty, right? So x squared y. Now listen here, we can cancel. This is called 2. Now we can write this as t square into x cube plus y cube divided by x square y. This is all basic. If I just explain this clearly, then you have just thorough in your homogeneous. How to find out? You can able to solve variable separable method. You can able to solve homogeneous. Even you can able to solve the linear differential equation. And we don't know how to find out whether this is homogeneous or linear differential or variable separable. The homogeneous பாத்தீங்கன்னா செப்பரேட்டா கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். ஆனா இதுக்கு தான் அந்த ஒரு வே. பாருங்க அப்ப எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, this is of the form d square into f of x comma y. Sorry, dy of dx by x comma y. அப்போ we have conferred that we'll get x cube plus y square, x square by y மறுபடியும் வந்துரும். அப்ப என்ன சொல்லலாம்? This is a homogeneous function of degree 2. This is a homogeneous differential equation of degree 2. If this type is given, you have to follow some steps. Step 1, put y is equals to vx and dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Once you substitute these values, step 2, separate the variables. Variables are separated and integrating. Variables are separated and integrating on both sides. Step 3, what happened? So we have taken y is equals to vx, right? Now you substitute v is equals to y by x and get the solution. These are the 3 steps involved in your homogeneous differential equation. Don't forget that homogeneous la இந்த 3 step நீங்க ஞாபகம் வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா it is very very easy. Don't forget this. These are the 3 steps. These are, I can say, working rule to find out the homogeneous differential equation. Now we are going to do some problems. Okay, are you ready? Please, now and then, please say yes. Please reply me. Okay, girls?
Yes, sir.
Tanya? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, ma. Good. Please follow me. So, very simple. First, I'll focus on your board examination. Then I'll proceed for your JE entrance examination. Okay, any other entrance examination, those who are preparing. First of all, from your textbook, then in-text problems. Now you take down the first one. This is from your textbook, right? Okay. Solve the differential equation. நல்லா கவனிச்சீங்க. இவனை எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? இந்த விஷயம் என்ன தெரியுங்களா? டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷன் சால்வ் பண்றது ஈஸி. இங்க ஸ்டெப்ஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னா, இந்த கொடுத்திருக்க இந்த டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷன் எந்த டைப் அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது ரொம்ப, அது கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டா மற்றதெல்லாம் ஈஸி. So now listen here, it is given that x plus y into cos y by x, solve, you just put that, solve x plus cos y by x into dx is equals to x cos y by x into dy. Okay, x plus y cos y by x into dx is equals to x cos y by x into dy. Now let us see x plus y cos y by x dx by dy. இப்போ பார்க்கும் போதே தெரிஞ்சிடுச்சு அந்த ஃபார்ம் வந்து y by x ல இருக்கு. கண்டிப்பா you can use the homogeneous type. Then நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்ன homogeneous typeனா அது எந்த ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கணும்? dy by dx. Just write in dy by dx. அப்போ dy by dx ல போடும்போது we'll get xy cos y by x divided by x cos y by x. பாருங்க, see the degree 1 இங்கேயும் டிகிரி, நியூமரேட்டர்ல டிகிரி 1 இருக்கு, கீழே டிகிரி 1 இருக்கு. நல்லா கவனிச்சீங்க. சில பேர் யோசிப்பேன், நியூமரேட்டர்ல இருக்கிற டிகிரியும் டினாமினேட்டர்ல இருக்கிற டிகிரியும் சேமா தான் இருக்கணுமா சார்? The question may rise, right? But அப்படி கிடையாது. நியூமரேட்டர்ல டிகிரி சேமா இருக்கணும், டினாமினேட்டர்ல டிகிரி சேமா இருக்கணும். பாருங்க இங்க x ஸ்கொயர் வருது, அப்ப தப்பு. Because the degree in the first term is 2, the degree in the second term is 1. Therefore, it is not homogeneous. But it is homogeneous. Whenever it is homogeneous, I can say y is equals to vx and dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, v plus x dv by dx. Now I can put v plus x dv by dx is equals to x plus y. Your y is equals to vx. Okay, I can write this as y is equals to vx. Okay, next one, y is equals to vx. The next one, I can take this as cos y by x, which is equals to cos v, x into cos v. Now you take x common. What happened? 1 plus v cos v divided by x into cos v. X cancel. Now we can write this as x dv by dx is equals to 1 plus cos v. 1 plus cos v divided by cos v minus v. Okay, so because we have taken that, now the variables are in terms of x and v. Usually the variable should be in x and y, but here it is in the terms of x and v. Therefore we can write this as cos v. So 1 plus cos v minus v into cos v. Okay. So sorry, right. V into cos V. I can write like this. 1 minus cos V. Therefore, minus 1 minus V into cos V. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I can write this as, so இங்க V இருக்கு, தப்பா போட்டேன், இங்க V விட்டுட்டேன். சரிங்களா? Now cancel these two things. We'll get x dv by dx is equals to, we can write this as 1 by cos V. Now you separate the variables. I can write this as cos dv is equals to dx by x. எப்படி வேணா மாத்தி போட்டுக்கலாம், தப்பு இல்ல. We have cos v dv, integration on both sides. Integration of cos x is nothing but sin x. Therefore, I can put this as sin v is equals to log x plus constant. Okay, lost. We have to write this as log x plus log c. You can take this as log c. Then log m plus log m and sin. At last, y by x v is equals to sin y by x is equals to log xc. That is the answer. This is the solution. So remember that in homogeneous type, we have to find out whether this given differential equation is homogeneous, which means that the numerator degree is same. Similarly, the denominator degree is same. ரெண்டுமே ஒரே மாதிரி டிகிரில இருந்தா immediately I can apply the homogeneous form. Okay, do you follow this? So with this we'll stop. Next next problem, we'll go on to the next problem. Please take down the next one. When is to next one, please solve. Same like solve. Please take down the next problem. Solve x square plus y square into dy minus x square into dx is equals to 0. Okay. So now listen here. பாருங்க, இப்ப பார்த்தோனே தெரிஞ்சிச்சு பாருங்களேன். 2 2 இங்க 2 இருக்கு. அப்ப கண்டிப்பா the equations are in homogeneous. Now I can write in terms of dy by dx. How? Dy by dx, bring this that side, x square plus y square into dy, x square into dx, which implies dy by dx is equals to x square divided by x square plus y square. Now listen here. See the degree in the numerator, 2. See the degree in the denominator, 2. So both are 2 2. Now therefore I can write this as dy by dx is equals to x square by x square plus y. On seeing this differential equation, we have confirmed that this is a homogeneous differential equation. Is it right? Now next, dy by dx கொடுத்தாச்சு இல்லையா, இது homogeneous. I can say this as it is a homogeneous differential equation. Now I can write this as, put y is equals to vx, then dy by dx is equals to v plus x into dv by dx. Your dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Now you substitute v plus x dv by dx is equals to x square. Wherever y comes, you put vx, that is called v square x square. Now you take common, we'll get 1 plus v square into x square. X square cancel. Now I can write this as x dv by dx is equals to 1 by 1 plus v square minus v. 1 plus v square divided by minus v. I can write like this. Okay. So இப்போ பாருங்க, இது எப்படி போடலாம்? 1 plus v square minus v இல்லையா? So which is equals to, sorry, we can change this one. This is not x square, x cube. So x cube, y cube, y cube. So therefore I can write this as, sorry, x square plus y cube. We can write this as x cube, v cube, x cube. Okay. Now I can write this as x cube, y cube. Okay, va? Sorry, 1 minute. So we can say usually பாத்தீங்கன்னா இது இந்த sum போட்டதுக்கே காரணம் அதுதான். ஏன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், யூசுவலா dy by dx தான் எடுப்பீங்க. இப்போ நான் அப்படியே இதை மாத்திக்கலாம். ஏன்னா x ஸ்கொயர் மேல வச்சுட்டு இதை கீழே கொண்டு வரீங்க. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும்னா I can write this as x square dx is equals to x cube y cube into dy. Now this implies dx divided by dy is equals to x cube plus y cube divided by x square. Please listen, boys and girls. கவனிக்கிறீங்களாமா? நல்லா கவனிங்க. ஏன்னா யூசுவலி நம்மளுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கணும்? யூசுவலி சொல்லுப்பா. dy by dx. இங்க dx by dy இருக்கு இல்லையா? அப்போ I can change this as x is equals to vy. Look. xy. Now I can write this as dx by dy is equals to v plus dy by dx. What dy by dx? Now dx by dy is equals to v plus y into dy by dv by dx. இப்போ அப்படியே மாறிடுச்சு. Usually I can take that as y is equals to vx. Now next one, dx by dy equals to v plus y dy by dx. You can write this as v plus y dv by dx is equals to x cube. Sorry, x க்கு பதிலா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? I can write v cube y cube. V cube y cube y as it is. Now instead of x square, I can write this as okay, x square. I can write this
x cube. Okay, sir.
sorry, x squared y minus problem தப்பா எழுதுறேன். x squared y. அப்போ x squared y னும் போது I can write this as v cube. அப்போ v cube y cube, that is already y is there. Therefore I can write this as which is equals to v plus y dv by dx is equals to take y cube 1 plus v cube divided by v squared into y cube. So y cube cancel. This implies y dv by dx is equals to 1 plus v cube divided by v square. Bring this v that side, that becomes minus v. Therefore I can write this as y into dv by dx is equals to take LCM v squared plus 1 minus v cube divided by v cube, cancel, which is equals to 1 by v square. Okay, now you just separate the variables. You can write this as dv divided by v squared equals to, so dv by dy இல்ல okay, so dv by dy, so v squared, which is equals to, we can write this as dv by dy. So therefore I can write this as dy by y. Now you integrate. V power 2 மேல போச்சுன்னா v power minus 2. So integrating, that is we can call it as a v square இல்லையா? நீங்க dv by dy ன்னு போட்டிருப்பீங்க. அப்ப v square dv, sorry தப்பா போட்டேன். I can write v square கீழே போயிடும். v square dv is equals to integral dy by y. Integrating on both sides, we'll get v cube by y into log y plus log x. So I can write v cube உடைய வேல்யூவை x by y ன்னு சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா? அப்ப x cube by y cube, which is equals to log xy. So that is the answer. Please take down. Next problem போலாம். Okay, please take down the next problem.
Sir, last step, v cube by 3 is equal to log y plus log c. That is sir.
Log C, sorry. Log C, not constantly, log C. About CY. Okay, thank you. Next one. Please take down the next problem. Solve. Next problem. Triples are good enough. Solve. Next one. Y e power x by y into dy is equals to x e power x by y plus y into dy. Y e power x by y is equals to x e power x by y plus y into dy. Okay, so this is the differential equation is given. So homogeneous differential equation, how can I write the homogeneous differential equation? Listen carefully. Or the dy into the dx, sorry, dx.
Sir, dx.
Dx more, sorry. இப்போ போன வாட்டி போட்ட மாதிரி தான் இதையும் போட போறீங்க. Usually the procedure is dy by dx. But here I can write the procedure is dx by dy, which is equals to x e power x by y plus y divided by y e power x by y. Not a c, or a degree is 1. Here is also degree 1. Now you can apply the homogeneous. I can say this is a homogeneous differential equation. I can say this is a homogeneous differential equation. Now we have to find out which is equals to dx by dy. Side v is equals to usual y is equals to vx. But here in terms of dx by dy, just to change x is equals to v by. Every last problem bottom adhe mari. Appo enna down dx by dy, we can write this as v plus, which is equals to v plus y into dx by. Okay, so we can write this as y into dv by dx. Sorry, v differentiate panna, we'll get dv by dx. I can write this as x v plus y dv by, sorry, y la dhaan pandrom illaya, appo y, which is equals to x y la pandradala v plus y into dy by di. Instead of dx by dy, I can write this as v plus y into dv by dy, which is equals to x e power x by y. X by y enna pannalam v nu sollalam. We can write this as e power y plus y. You can write this as it is y. Inga x ku பதிலா I can write this as vy divided by y into e power x by y. I can write this as v. சரிங்களா? In the next step, if I take y common, v into e power v plus 1 divided by y into e power v. சரிங்களா? v e power v plus 1 divided by e power y. So now which is equals to y dv by dx, sorry, dy by dy, which is equals to v e power y plus 1 divided by e power v minus v. Let us take LCM e power v. I can write this as v power v plus 1 minus v into e power v. This 2 will get cancelled. So now which is equals to y dv by dy is equals to 1 divided by e power v, which is equals to e power v into dv, which is equals to dy by y, integrating on both sides. Okay, e power v into dv is equals to dy by y, integrating e power v, which is equals to e power v, integrating dy by y, which is equals to log y plus constant. I can write this as log c no போட்டுக்கலாம், இல்ல வெறுமையா c போட்டாலும் ஓகே. If you want, you can write this as log c. வெறும் c எடுத்தாலும் தப்பு கிடையாதுப்பா. சோ என்னடா log c போறேன்னா, everywhere log comes, you must take log. பட் இங்க log இல்ல ஒரு சைடுல இருந்தாலும் எடுத்துக்கலாம். இப்போ therefore e V as taken as x by y, which is equals to log m log n. I can write this as log yc. Please take down. The next one, solve. The next problem, solve 2xy dx plus x square plus 2y squared into dy equal to 0. Okay, solve 2xy dx plus x square 2y squared into dy equal to 0. Okay, now, so because we are discussing about homogeneous, கண்டிப்பா இது எல்லாமே homogeneous type தான் வரும். அப்ப அதனால என்ன பண்றோம்னா, first you keep x squared plus 2y squared into dy, bring this that side, minus 2xy into dx, which is equals to, I can write this as dy by dx 2xy by x square plus 2y squared. See the numerator, the degree is 1 1. இங்க பாருங்க degree 2 2. The degree மேல வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 plus 1 2, degree கீழே பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 2 இருக்கு. So therefore I can say this is a homogeneous degree. So homogeneous degree na both numerator and denominator should be same. இல்லையா? அப்போ மேல degree 2 இருக்கு, கீழே degree 2 இருக்கு. Now I can use the substitution method. V is equals to y is equals to vx. Then dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Now I can write this as v plus x dv by dx is equals to minus 2x into y. Your y is equals to vx divided by x square plus 2 into y square, which is equals to v square x square. About 2vx square divided by, I can take x square common, which is equals to 1 plus 2v square. So I can cancel x squared x squared. Therefore, v plus x dv by dx is equals to 2v divided by 1 plus 2v squared. Now we can take x dv by dx, bring this v that side. This becomes 2v divided by 1 plus 2v square. This becomes minus v. Therefore, I can take this as 1 plus 2v squared. You can write 2v minus cross multiplying minus 2v, okay, minus 2v squared divided by 1 plus 2v squared. Now you cancel that. 2v minus 2v will get cancelled. We have x dv by dx is equals to minus 2v squared divided by 1 plus 2v squared. Are you able to follow? Now we have to separate the variables. இங்க தான் நீங்க கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா கவனிக்கணும். என்ன வந்திருக்குன்னா minus 2v squared divided by,
Sir,
சொல்லுங்கம்மா. இத கூட நானு
sir, common minus sign இருக்குல்ல sir, அது
இல்ல நானு இப்போ இத கூட நான் என்ன பண்றேன்னா இன்னும் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணோம்னா யூசுவலா dx by dy எடுத்துங்க. சாரி, அது இன்னும் ஈஸியா இருக்கும். ஏன்னா டேர்ம்ஸ் வந்து கீழே எப்பொழுதுமே அதிகமா இருக்க கூடாது. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல பாருங்க, ஐ கேன் டேக் இதை வந்து எப்படின்னா dx by dyன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். அப்போ எப்படி மாறிடும், இது மேல போயிடும் இல்லையா, எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் ஒய் ஸ்கொயர் வந்து இது மேல dy by dx dx by dx. அப்போ மைனஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் பிளஸ் 2y ஸ்கொயர் டிவைடட் பை 2xy. ஏன் திரும்ப அது மாதிரி எடுக்கிறோம், இங்க ஃபேக்டர்ஸ் பாருங்க, இங்க 2 இருக்கு, கீழே பாருங்க 1 தான் இருக்கு. அதனால தான் இப்படி எடுக்கிறோம். இப்படி போகும்போது உங்களுடைய fractions எடுக்கும்போது கஷ்டமா இருக்கும் இன்டகிரேட் பண்றது. அதனால I am just changing it to dx by dy. Therefore you put x is equals to vy. Then we have take dx by dy is equals to v plus, okay, v plus y into dv by dy. So I can write this as v plus y into dv by dy is equals to minus of x square. I can write this as v square plus y square, 2y square into 2x, sorry, x in terms of vy into y. Therefore, v plus y dv by dy is equals to minus v square y square plus 2y square. You can take y square common, minus y square, v square plus 2. You can take y square common, we have tv. Okay, so now we can cancel, this 2 will get cancelled. Simply we have minus v square minus 2 divided by 2v. Bring this v that side, y dv by dy is equals to, இப்போ ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா ப்ராப்ளம் முடிஞ்சிட பாருங்க, 2v minus v. So taking LCM will get 2v. 2v into v minus 2v square. Simplifying will get 3v square minus 2. So we can write this as minus 3v square minus 2. This will give you minus 3v square minus 2 divided by 2v. இப்போ வேரியபிள்ஸ் செப்பரபிள் பண்ணலாம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இது y dv by dy. Let us take minus common. We'll get 3v square plus 2 divided by 2v. Separate, இங்க என்னென்ன வேரியபிள்ஸ் இருக்கு, v இருக்கு, y இருக்கு. அப்போ I can write, so 2v, yeah, 2v 3v square plus 2. I can write this as எப்படி வருதுன்னு பாருங்க, 2v divided by 3v square plus 2 into dv. ஒரு பக்கம் v கொண்டு வந்தாச்சு. On another side we are bringing the y term. அப்போ we can write this as dy by y. Already minus is there. இப்போ now on both the sides we have v and y, which means that we are separated the variables. Now listen here, I have given that there is a result called f dash of x divided by f of x into dx, means I can write this as log of f of x. Now let us take 3v square plus 2, differentiate it. So what is the differentiation of 3v square plus 2? 6v, but மேல 2v இருக்கு. So we have to multiply this by 3. Once you multiply the denominator by 3, you have to divide by 3. அப்போ என்ன சொல்லாத, we can write this as log of 3v square plus 2. புரியுதா? ஏன்னா this is all a compensation one. So because we know the result integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equals to log f of x. இப்போ கீழே அதே போல 3v square plus 2 இருக்கு. இதை differentiate பண்ணா we want 6v. But problemல as per the problem we have only 2v. அது 6v convert பண்ணனா we have to multiply. Once whenever we are multiplying, we are divide the same number. 3 ஆல multiply 3 ல divide பண்ணிருக்கோம். அப்போ 1 by 3, 6v divided by 3v square plus 2 into dv. Now I can write this as, which is equals to 1 by 3 into log of 3v square plus 2 is equals to minus of log y. Everywhere log comes, இல்லையா, அதனால plus log c போடலாம். So that I can write this as log c. அப்போ இது வந்து log m minus log n. Listen it, which is equals to log m minus log n. அப்போ என்ன ஒண்ணா, இதை cross multiply, which is equals to minus log y, இல்லையா. அப்போ I can write this as log of c by y. கரெக்டா? Using the logarithmic rule, log m minus log n, I can write this as log c by y. இப்போ இங்க இந்த 3 அந்த சைடு கொண்டு போயிட்டா கூட இது 3 ஆயிடும். அப்போ I can have log of 3v square plus 2. So we have taken this as log 3v square. We can write v is equals to x by y. Wherever v comes, you can put 3x square by y square plus 2. 3 இந்த 3 மேல போயிடுமா, பவர் ரூல். log m power log n னா m பவர்ல போயிடும். அப்போ c power, c is a constant, அதனால அப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாம், c y power 3. So therefore the answer is log of 3x square. இப்போ ரெண்டு பக்கமும் log remove பண்ணிடலாம். So we have log on both sides. I can removing the logarithms. Then we have 3x square. So take LCM, 2y square divided by y square, which is equals to c divided by y cube. So y squared cancel, y cancel. So now you cross multiply 3x squared y plus 2y cube is equals to c. This is the required solution. Please take down 3x squared y plus 2y cube equal to c. The next one, solve the next problem. Solve y squared minus 2xy into dx is equals to x square into 2xy into dy. Akshaya, Aditya, are you all listening? கவனிக்கிறீங்களாமா அக்ஷயா? Right, okay. So this is one of the important problem. Maybe in your board examination, it comes under the 3 marks or 5 marks. 3 marksக்கு நிறைய possibilities இருக்கு. பாருங்க இப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னாலே தெரிஞ்சிச்சு the degree is same. Year 2 1 plus 1 2, year 2 1 plus 1 2. இப்போ நீங்க எந்த ஒண்ணா எடுக்கலாம், only dy by dx or dxy. எப்படி எடுத்தாலும் you will get the answer. நான் usual regular procedure எடுத்துக்கிறேன், dy by dx. அப்ப I can write this as y squared minus 2xy divided by x square minus 2xy. Now you put y is equals to vx, then dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. I can write this as dy by dx. சொல்லுங்கப்பா.
Sir, x square minus 2xy by y square minus 2xy தானே சார் வரும்?
இல்லையா, I have taken this as dy by dx ல நான் dx by dx தான் அந்த மாதிரி போடணும். I have taken dy by dx. நல்லா பாருங்க,
dy வந்து ரைட் சைடுல தானே சார் இருக்கு.
இருக்கட்டும், எப்படி இருந்தாலும் நான் மாத்தி போட்டானா
அப்ப dx தானே சார் கீழ வரும்.
இல்லம்மா, dy இங்க இருக்கா, இந்த dx இங்க கொண்டு வந்துட்டேனா, x square minus 2xy இங்க இருக்கு, இதை எப்படி கொண்டு வந்துடுறேன். நீங்க வேணா இப்படி பாத்துங்க. இப்ப பாருங்க, ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா போடுங்க, தப்பு இல்ல. x square minus 2xy divided by y square minus 2xy. சாரி, இப்படி போடுங்க, y square minus 2xy divided by x square minus 2xy which is equals to dy by dx. அதுதான் நான் எழுதி இருக்கிறேன். I am just taken dy by dx is equals to, ஓகேவா? அப்ப dy by dx is equals to y square minus 2xy divided by x square minus 2xy. Instead of dy by dx, I can write this as v plus x dv by dx is equals to y square, y would have v square x squared minus 2x into vy. Your y is equals to vx divided by x square minus 2x into y, which is equals to vx. V squared x squared minus 2x squared v divided by x square minus 2x square v. So let us take x square common. We have v square minus v. Let us take x square common. We have 1 minus 2v. X square get cancelled. Isn't it? We have the answer is v square minus v divided by 1 minus 2v. Okay va? So v square minus 2v, not v, 2v. So இங்க 2 இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதனால v. இப்ப பாருங்க, variables செப்பரேட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி x dv by dx equals to v square minus 2v, 1 minus 2v. Bring this v that side, becomes minus v. Let us take the LCM 1 minus 2v, which is equals to v square minus 2v minus v plus 2v square. Okay va? So which is equals to x dv by dx is equals to 3v square minus 3v divided by 1 minus 2v. Am I right? 3v square minus 3v divided by 1 minus v square. 1 minus 2v. 3v square minus 3v divided by 1 minus 2v. இப்போ இந்த 3 காமன் எடுத்துடலாம். Okay, next step, x dv by dx. Let us take 3. அதே போல இந்த 1 minus 2v இருக்குல்ல, அது 2v minus 1 எடுத்தாங்க மைனஸ். அப்ப I can write this as minus of 3 taken as common v square minus v. கீழ அதே போல we can write this as 2v minus 1. ஏன்னா மைனஸ் காமன் எடுத்துடும். ஏன் தெரியுங்களா? இப்ப நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்ல சொல்லி தரேன், கவனிங்க. வேரியபிள்ஸ் செப்பரேட் பண்ணுங்க. let us separate the variables. Now I can separate this as 2v minus 1 divided by v square minus v dv. அதாவது என்ன அர்த்தம்னா, we are separating v ஒரு பக்கமும் ஒரு பக்கம் y யும் பண்றோம். அப்போ y, sorry, x, that is called, we can separating this as dx by dx. Already இங்க minus 3 இருக்கிறதுனால you just put minus 3. Now the integrals are separated, differentiation variables are separated. Once variables are separated, we can integrate on both sides. What happened? Which is equals to, this implies log of v square minus v is equals to minus 3 into log x. Since we have log, we have taken the constant is also log c. Our log v square minus y. So we have to put v is equals to y by x. Wherever v comes, you put y by x. Therefore, we can write this as log of y square by x square minus of y by x minus 3 log x. The minus 3 in the side the plus side. Therefore, I can say minus 3 log x becomes plus 3 log x. You can write this as log c. Log m plus log n, which is equals to log mn. Take LCM. X square is the LCM. Y square minus xy into 3 log x. We can write this as plus log x cube is equals to log c. Log m plus log n. I can write this as log of y square minus xy divided by x square into x cube is equals to log c. Using the property of logarithms, x square 2 cancel. Log will get cancelled. Simply, we have the answer is y square minus xy. This implies y square minus xy into x is equals to c. Or I can say xy square minus x square y equal to c. This is the solution. 3 marks question. Please take down. Please take down. The next problem. Solve. Next one. Solve x dy by dx. Solve x dy by dx is equals to y minus x cos squared y by x. Y minus x cos squared y by x. Okay. X dy by dx is equals to y minus x cos squared y by x. Solve. We have to find out the solution. Very simple. Difficult, but very simple, because only concept, know that y is equals to vx, dv by dx is equals to y plus, sorry, y is equals to y is equals to vx, which means that dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Now, just write in the form of dy by dx, which is equals to minus x cos squared through dividing by x. Squared y by x. Now, we are substituting y equals to v by x. Above v would value no? V is equals to y by x. Now, instead of dy by dx, I can substitute the value v plus x dv by dx. Instead of y by x, I can put v minus of y by x, that is called cos squared v. Separate in the v in the side pochina, we can get all the last step dy by dx equals to v minus cos squared v minus v. Plus v minus v cancel. We can write this as x dv by dx is equals to minus cos squared v. Now you separate the variables, which is equals to dv divided by cos squared v equals to minus dx divided by x. Now the variables are separated in terms of v and x. Now we can convert cos squared v, 1 by cos squared v, I can write this as secant squared v into dv equals to minus of dx by x log x plus c. Okay, so now secant squared v dv minus log x. சரிங்களா? So integration secant squared v integrate பண்ணல. What is the integration of secant squared v? Which is equals to log minus log x, log x c. Now integration of secant squared v, I can write this as tan v equals to log m minus log n. இது எப்படி போனா log c by y. Correct? So I can write this as log c by x, not sorry y. Now we can put tan y by x. ஏன்னா v உடைய value, I can write this as y by x. Log c by x is the answer. That is the answer. Therefore, hence the answer is tan, v is equals to tan v. So tan y by x. So இன்னும் கூட simplify பண்ணலாம். எப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா c by x, the logarithm எடுக்கறதா e power tan y by x. That is the answer. So further நீங்க எப்படியும் proceed பண்ணலாம். You can stop tan y by x also. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. So next problem is one of the very important problem. You can take that as a PKV or KPP or FAQ, which is a very important sum. So in this exercise, in this homogeneous type, one of the very important 5-mark question is this one. So those who are severely preparing for your board examination, this is exclusive for your board examination. Don't forget that. So one of the very important 5-mark questions, and also helpful for your entrance examination also. Okay, so please take down. So you take your time. Okay, நீங்க நல்லா கவனிங்க, observe பண்ணீங்க. Those want, you can take the screenshot. Otherwise, you can take a copy down. I'll give you time. Okay. Now, the next problem. Are you all listening? Please, come on. Silent இருக்கீங்களே. போலாமா?
Sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we move on to the next problem. Okay, very important one. Please listen. Maybe you can expect for March or April 22. Okay, next one. Solve 1 plus 3 e power y by x into dy plus 3 e power y by x 1 minus y by x into dx equal to 0. 1 minus y by x dx equals to 0. Given that y equal to 0, when x is equals to 1, solve 1 plus 3 e power y by x into dy plus 3 e power y by x into 1 minus y by x dx equal to 0. Y equal to 0 when x is equals to 1. Okay, so very important. Please, girls, Akshaya, Dania, okay. So others, please listen. Okay, wow. So I don't know each and everyone's name, right? Anyway, please listen, girls and boys. This is one of the very important. Are you ready? So don't
Yes.
copy it now. Okay, please listen. Okay, then I'll give you time to take down the problem. Please listen here. So it is given that the values are also given. Last variables problem, but problem photo. So here is the last thing we have to given this. When x is equals to 1, y equal to 0, what is the solution? First of all, you have to solve the given homogeneous type. Homogeneous na dy by dx. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்? இத 1 plus 3 e power y by x into dy. Bring this that side 3 e power y by x into 1 minus y by x. இது அந்த side போனா minus. This becomes minus dx. I want to write this in terms of dy by dx. Therefore, I can write dy by dx minus 3 e power y by x. இந்த மைனஸ் பிளஸ் ஆக்கணும் வச்சுங்க, அப்படியே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிடலாம். வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை, 3 e power y by x becomes y by x minus 1 divided by 1 plus 3 e power y by x. This is all in terms of homogeneous type. Okay, so I can write this as 3 e power y by x into y by x minus 1 Yeah, right. Sorry, 1 minus y by x becomes y by x minus 1 மாறிடும். ஓகேவா? Now, again, as usual procedure, working rule. First step, y is equals to vx, dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Now I can write this as v plus x dv by dx, which is equals to 3 e power y by x. Y by x can be written as v minus 1 divided by 1 plus 3 into e power v. Bring this v that side. So x dv by dx is equals to 3 e power v into v minus 1. I can write this as v minus 3 e power v minus v divided by 1 plus 3v equals to minus v. Now you take LCM. Your LCM is 1, 3 e power v. So now we can write this as 3 e power v into v minus 3 e power v cross multiply, we'll get minus v into minus plus v into 3 e power v. This is cancel out. 3 e power v into v into 3 power. Now I can take x dv by dx. Are you all listening? If I take minus common, yeah, minus v becomes minus 2v minus of 3 e power v divided by 1 plus 3 e power v. You can take minus common. This first 3 e power v. Next one, minus 2v becomes plus 2v divided by 1 plus 3 e power v. The side full of v terms now. We are separating the variables in terms of v and x. So therefore, v terms in the side now we'll get 1 3 e power v divided by 3 e power v plus 2v into dv, which is equals to minus dx by x. Now integrating on both sides because they are separated the variables. In the left hand side we have v, the right hand side we have x terms. Now listen here, you can just go for the denominator. Let us consider the denominator. It is given that 3 e power v plus 2v. If you differentiate, we'll get 3 e power v. What is the differentiation of 3 e power v? Which is equals to 3 e power v. What is the differentiation of 2v? Right? So we'll get 2. 3v. Sorry, v தான் போறோம். இந்த v வந்து multiplication இருக்கு. We'll just take this as plus v. Only v, not 2v. அப்ப இங்க v தான் வரும். So அப்ப v integrate பண்ணா 1. So now let us consider the denominator. When we differentiating the denominator, that should be in the numerator. Immediately I can say log of the denominator. I can write this as logarithmic of 3 e power v
plus
v equals to minus log x plus log c.
log c.
Bring this log c. Bring this log x this side. So what happens? Plus side. Logarithm of 3 e power v. I can write this as y by x plus v y by x plus log x equals to log c. Using the property of logarithm log m plus log n, I can write this as log mn. 3 e power y by x plus y by x into x is equals to log c. Now you are removing the logarithmics on both sides. Okay, just remove the logarithm on both sides. What happens? Which is equals to 3x e power y by x plus differentiating y by x becomes y. X x will get cancelled. Simply we have c because logarithm will get cancelled. Now the equation becomes 3x e power y by x plus y equals to c. But according to the problem, it was given that when x is equals to 1, your y equals to 0. When x is equals to 1, your y is equals to 0. So I can put y is equals to 0, x is equals to 1, 3 into 1, 3. So 3, that is called c is equals to 3. On using the given conditions, according to the problem, x equals to 1, y equal to 0. From that, I have found out that c is equals to 3. Substitute. I want y value. What is the value of y? I can put 3 x e power y by x plus y is equals to 3 is the answer. This is the solution. Please take down. I want to repeat again. If people want to repeat it again, So is it easy? Once again, I'll just repeat that. It is given that 1 plus 3 e power y by x into dy plus 3 e power y by x 1 minus y by x into dx equal to 0. It is given that y is equals to 0 when x is equals to 1, isn't it? So now the differential equation we can take in terms of dy by dx, because the homogeneous format itself says that it is in the form of dy by dx. Now I just converting into dy by dx. I have taken the dy by dx equals to 3 e power y by x into 1 minus y by x minus 1 plus 3 e power y by x. Now I found that the given equation is clearly a homogeneous equation. Whenever the given equation is a homogeneous differential equation, I have to follow some steps. The working rule for first step is put y is equals to vx. Then dy by dx is equals to x dv by dx. Yeah. Now you substitute the values. I am getting that v plus x dv by dx is equals to 3 e power v minus 1 and 1 plus 3 e power y. And simplifying, I'll get the equation as 1 plus 3 e power v plus 3 e power v dv equal to minus dx by x, integrating on both sides. Let us consider the left-hand side integration. You go for the denominator. In the denominator, we have v plus 3 e power v. Differentiating that, we'll get 1 plus 3 e power v. So, I am differentiating the denominator part. It should be in the numerator. I have given the formula. We know the result. Integration of f dash of x divided by f of x dx is equals to log f of x. So, using that formula, I can write this as log of 3 e power v plus v is equals to minus of log x plus log c, which is log m plus log n rule. Our log of 3 e power y by x plus y by x into log x becomes x is equal. Removing the log, then we have x e power y by x multiplying with x, y equal to c. According to the problem, it was given that x is equals to 1, y equal to 0. Substituting, I'll get the c equals to 3. Substitute the value of c in the given equation. We'll get the solution is 3x square e power y by x plus y equal to 3. Please take down. Please take down. Next one. Solve. X square plus y square into dy is equals to xy dx, comma, y of 1 is equals to 1, and find a x naught if y of x naught is equals to e. This is also important one. Okay, that these two problems is very important in this exercise. Don't forget that this is from your textbook. This is not outside your syllabus, or not it's an in-text problem. This is purely from your 12th standard syllabus book. Okay, don't forget that. So these two problems are very important. Those are focusing on your board examination. So please listen. Almost similar to the last problem. First of all, on seeing this, we can see the left-hand side and right-hand. Here is also the degree. Here is also a degree 2. Let us convert this into form of dy by dx. Everybody knows that homogeneous dx, okay, we have to convert into dy by dx form. Your dy by dx is equals to, we can write this as xy divided by x square plus y square. Okay, or do you follow that? Then the next steps are, then first step is what? Put y is equals to vx. Then I can write dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Okay, so your dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. Now you substitute the values. I can write this as v plus x dv by dx is equals to x into v, that is called vx, divided by x square plus y squared, v squared x squared. So which is equals to v plus x dv by dx is equals to x square cancel, v divided by 1 plus v square. Okay, bring this v that side, we'll get x dv by dx is equals to v divided by 1 plus v square minus v. Let us take LCM, 1 plus v square. Now you just take this as y, we have y dv by dx is equals to taking LCM. Yeah. So what happens? LCM we'll get have. இது வந்து இன்னொன்று கூட நீங்க ஏன்னா அந்த இது நீங்க ஃபேக்டர்ஸை வந்து பாருங்க, பெரிய ஃபேக்டர் சின்ன ஃபேக்டர் பார்க்கும் போது அதை எடுத்துக்கணும். நான் அதை மறந்துட்டேன், சரிங்களா? இப்ப dx by dy எடுத்துங்க, அது ஈஸியா இருக்கும், சரிங்களா? which is equals to dx by dy means we can write this as x square plus y square divided by xy. Now this is in the form of homogeneous in terms of dx by dy. Therefore you have to take x is equals to vy. Then dx by dy is equals to v plus, okay, so which is equals to v plus y into dv by dy. I can write this as v plus y into dv by dy is equals to x square. I can write v square y square plus y square divided by v square y square, which is equals to v square plus 1 divided by v square. I can write this as v square plus 1 divided by v square plus v square. Bring this v square that side. Yeah, on the side கொண்டு போயிடலாமா? So we have v square plus 1 divided by v, which is equals to y dv by dx is equals to v square plus 1 divided by v square minus v. Taking LCM, v squared. Yeah. Sorry, v தான் வரும், not y v square, v. So that we can have v square plus 1 minus v square. Both will get cancelled. Separate the variables. V square into dv equals to dv by dy. So dy by y. Separates our variables are separated, integrating on both sides. So v square இருக்கு இல்லையா, v மட்டும் இருக்கும், not v square, v. So v மட்டும் இருக்கு, integrate பண்ணா we'll get v square by 2 equals to log y plus log c. Yeah, I can take this as log y plus log c, which is equals to v square by 2 is equals to log mn yc. But we have taken v is equals to x by y. I can write this as x square divided by 2y squared equals to log yc. But according to the problem, it was given that, yeah. So அப்ப இங்க இருந்து கூட நம்ம போடலாம், இந்த log yc ல இருந்து லாஸ்ட் டைம் போட்டேன் இல்லையா, your yc is equals to logarithm அந்த சைடு போனா e power x square divided by 2y squared. So you can write the answer is yc is equals to e power x square divided by 2y square. According to the problem, it was given that when x is equal, find x naught if y of x naught is equals to e. அதாவது your x is equals to x naught and your y is equals to என்ன கொடுத்துட்டா e. Then what is the value of x naught னு கேக்குறாங்க. அப்ப x உடைய வேல்யூ என்னன்றதை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், which is equals to y of c. So I have to find out y into c, e into c, which is equals to ce. E power your x is equals to x naught. Please listen carefully. Your x is equals to x naught. I can write this as x naught square divided by 2y square. That is y instead of y, I can write this as 2e square. Clear? Correct? So you can write this as e power x naught square divided by 2e square. ரெண்டு பக்கமும் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா c e power இருக்கு, அப்போ y is equals to e naught இருக்கு. அப்போ I can write this as y into first value விட்டுட்டோம் பாருங்க, சாரி, first ஒன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க to 1, y equals to 1, sorry, x is equals to 1, y equals to 1. அதுல இருந்து c கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். c is equals to e power x square 1 போட்டா y square 1, அப்போ 1 by 2. c உடைய வேல்யூ வந்து 1 by 2. That is called root e. அப்போ y into c உடைய வேல்யூவை I can write root e, e power x square divided by 2y square. Now கவனிங்க. Now see, the last stepல பாருங்க. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம், y root e equals to e power x square by 2y square. இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன், when x is equals to x naught, your y value is equals to e. Then you find out what is the value of x naught. அப்போ x naught தான் கண்டுபிடிப்போம். எதுவும் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணுங்க, your y is equals to e. I can write this as e root e means e power 1 by 2. E power, your x is equals to x naught square divided by 2y square, 2 into e square. Now you just simplify e power 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2, e power x naught square divided by 2 e square. Okay, now you compare the powers 3 by 2, x naught by 2 e square, which is equals to x naught square divided by 2 e square is equals to 3 by 2. 2 cancel, which implies x naught the whole square equals to 3 e square. X naught the whole square is equals to 3. But we want to find out what is x naught. The square root, taking square root x naught is equals to plus or minus root of 3 e square. Square root of e is equals to 3. The answer is plus or minus root 3 e. Please take down. We'll do some more problems, which is an in-text problem. Okay. So far, we have discussed only the textbook problems. Apart from that, we'll just take down some of the problems from your in-text problems. Next one. If a curve y is equals to f of x, finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next problem. If a curve y is equals to f of x, this is in-text problem. If a curve y is equals to f of x, if a curve y is equals to f of x, passing through the point, the curve y is equals to f of x, passing through the point 1, 2 is the solution of the differential equation, is the solution of the differential equation 2x square dy is equals to 2xy plus y squared, 2xy plus y squared into dx. Then f of 1 by 2 is equals to f of 1 by 2 is equals to, or find the value of f of 1 by 2. Okay. So again, I'll repeat the question. Please take down carefully. If the curve y is equals to f of x passing through the point 1, 2 is the solution of the differential equation 2x squared dy is equals to 2xy plus y squared into dx, then find the value of f of 1 by 2. Okay. Please take down. So இப்படியும் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்கலாம் இல்லையா? திஸ் இஸ் a homogeneous differential equation. பார்த்தோன்னே சிலதெல்லாம் கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். இங்க பாருங்க, பார்த்தோன்னே தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. ஏன்னா I can write this as dy by dx is equals to 2xy. எப்பொழுதுமே ரெண்டு ஃபேக்டர் இருக்கிறத மேல எடுத்துக்கணும். ஒரே மாதிரி ஃபேக்டர் இருந்தா அதை கீழே கொண்டு வரணும். இது ஒரு ஐடியா. அப்போ நீங்க dy by dx dxy மாத்தி போட்டுக்கலாம். 2x plus y plus y square 2x square. Now the steps, first put y is equals to vx. Then dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx, which is equals to v plus x dv by dx is equals to 2x. Y இருக்கு இல்லையா, அது பதிலா vx போடுவீங்க. அப்ப which is equals to vx squared. V squared x squared divided by 2 into v squared x squared. So with this implies v plus x dv by dx is equals to, let us take x squared common. Then we have 2v plus v squared. So then we have 2v plus v squared divided by, sorry, இங்க v square வராது, வெறும் x தானே, அப்ப x square தான் இருக்கும். 2x square correct? X squared will get cancelled. X squared will get cancelled. Up in x dv by dx is equals to 2v plus v square divided by 2 minus v. Take LCM, 2 is the LCM. 2v plus v square minus 2v, 2v cancel. Now separate the variables, yeah, which is equals to x dv by dx. 2 dv divided by v square equals to dx divided by x. 2 dv by v square 2x by x. அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்னா இந்த v square இருக்கு இல்லையா அது மேல கொண்டு போயிடணும். அப்போ this becomes 2v power minus 2 dv equals to integral dx by x. அப்போ 2v power minus 2 இருக்கு இல்லையா I can write this as 2v power minus 2 dv equals to dx by x. அப்போ இதை இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணா என்ன வரும் 2v power minus 2 plus 1 integrate x power n means n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 அப்ப என்ன வரும் minus 1 கீழே வந்தா v power 1 by v ஆயிடும். Since minus symbol இருக்கனால I can write this as minus 2 by v is equals to dx by x log x plus constant c. Now v is equals to y by x. இப்போ y by x கீழே போட்டா மேல போகும்போது minus x by y is equals to log x plus constant. கரெக்டா? So minus x by y which is equals to log x plus constant. சரிங்களா? I can write this as அப்போ இதை இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வரும்போது இந்த 2 இருக்கு இல்லையா 2x விட்டோம் 2 இருக்கு அதனால 2x by y. So அப்போ I can write this as log x plus 2x by y is equals to a constant. c வந்து மைனஸ் ஆகவும் இருக்கலாம் பிளஸ் ஆகவும் இருக்கலாம் ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை பிளஸ் c நோ போடலாம் மைனஸ் c நோ போடலாம் no problem. Now I can have log base ex plus c equal to 0. It is given that the line passes through what point அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது நான் அழகா கிளீனா சொல்லிடலாம் லைன் இட் பாசஸ் த்ரூ கொஸ்டின்ல கொடுத்துருக்கானா எட் வாட்ச் பாயிண்ட் இட் பாசஸ் த்ரூ த பாயிண்ட் வாட் என்னமா கொடுத்துருக்கா 1,2 இட் பாசஸ் த்ரூ 1,2
sir.
அப்ப x க்கு பதிலா 1 போடலாம் y க்கு பதிலா 2 போடலாம் log 1 is 0 x 2 into 1 by 2 which is equals to 1. Therefore I can say c is equals to 1. Therefore the solution becomes is log x plus 2x by y equals to 1. But the question is, what is the value of f of 1 by 2? Which means that we have to put x is equals to 1. Then we find the y, that y is called f of 1 by 2. Then y is equals to, I can write this as f of 1 by 2. That is the meaning of that. So log 1 becomes 0 plus 2 into 1, 2 divided by f of 1 by 2 equals to 1. This implies f of 1 by 2 is equals to 2. The answer is 2. Please take down இந்த மாதிரி questions தான் உங்களுக்கு என்ட்ரன்ஸ்ல கேட்போம். Lot of possibilities இப்படிதான். The simple way, the methods are same. The question pattern கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா ட்விஸ்ட் பண்ணி கேட்பான் அவ்வளவுதான் வேற ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. Therefore the answer is f of 1 by 2 is equals to we can write this as log சரி 1 by 2 இல்ல சாரி தப்பா போட்டேன் x க்கு பதிலா 1 by 2 அப்ப log 1 by 2 சாரி இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப் இங்க போட்டுங்க x equals to 1 ல x equals to 1 by 2 and we have to find out what is f of 1 by 2 அப்ப log 1 by 2 we can write this as log base e 1 by 2 plus 2x by y 2 into 1 by 2 1 divided by f of 1 by 2 ஏன்னா இங்க 2 இருக்கு x உடைய வேல்யூ 1 by 2 2 cancel. I can write this as 1 by f of 1 by 2 equals to 1. சரிங்களா இதை எப்படி போடலாம்னா minus 1 by log of minus 2 போடலாம் plus 1 by f of 1 by 2 equals to 1. இது அந்த சைட் கொஸ்டின் வச்சுங்க which is equals to 1 plus 1 by log 2 which is equals to 1 divided by f of 1 by 2 equals to 1 plus log base e2 or f of 1 by 2 is equals to 1 divided by 1 plus log of base e2. That is the answer. ஏன்னா x உடைய வேல்யூ 1 by 2. So one more problem. With this, we'll wind up the class. We'll stop the class. We'll continue the next class. Please take down the last problem of today's class. So with this, we are finishing the homogeneous differential equation. In the new class, in the very next class, we are going to discuss about the very important one, linear differential equation. Solve அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தாலே first of all you go for linear differential equation. அதுதான் next classல நான் நடத்த போறேன். இப்போ கடைசியா ஒரு ப்ராப்ளம் எழுதிங்க. With this, we'll stop. Please come on, கொஞ்சம் அஜயிலா இருங்க பார்க்கலாம். Please be active. With this, we'll stop. Okay, please say yes. ஓகேவா, கொஞ்சம் ஸ்மார்ட்டா சொல்லுங்களேன். ரைட், ஓகேமா, கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே அலர்ட்டா இருங்க, கொஞ்சம் அஜயிலா இருங்க. ரைட், the real value for m, the real value of m for which the substitution y is equals to u power m, y is equals to u power m will transform the differential equation, 2x power y dy by dx plus y power 4 is equals to 4x power 6 into a homogeneous equation, is, take down the options, m is equals to 0, m is equals to 1, m is equals to 3 by 2, and m is equals to 2 by 3. So these are the values given. So y is equals to u power m, and these are the values 2x power 4 into y into dy by dx plus y power 4 equals to 4x power 6. சரிங்களா? எப்படி இந்த m உடைய வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் பாருங்க. இதுக்கு ஒண்ணும் இல்லை, இவனா சொல்லிட்டேன், சப்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் மெத்தட், வேற ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை, நீ சால்வே பண்ண வேண்டிய அவசியமே கிடையாது. ஓகே, சிம்பிளி யூ ஹேவ் டு டூ மெத்தட்ல தான் கொண்டு வரணும். இப்போ பாருங்க, dy by dx ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க இல்லையா? So 1 y is equals to u power m ன்னு கொடுத்துட்டான். y is equals to u power m. இப்போ இங்க என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா 2x power y dy by dx is equals to கொடுத்தாச்சு. இத dy by dx ஃபார்முக்கு கொண்டு வரணும். அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும், 2x power 4y, இது அந்த சைடு போச்சுன்னா 4x power 6 minus y power 4. கரெக்டா? 4x power 6 minus y power 4 divided by next 2x power 4, இது கொண்டு வந்துடுறேன், இது கூட டென்ஸ் பண்ணு, 2x power 4y, இதுதான் dy by dx. கரெக்டா? the dy by dx equal to 4x power 6 divided by அப்படின்றது. பட் y உடைய வேல்யூ கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. what is y value? your y is equals to u power m. எத்தனை கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க, y is equals to u power m. சரிங்களா? இப்போ நமக்கு என்ன பண்ண, dy by dx உடைய வேல்யூ என்னன்னு பார்க்கணும். இங்க dy by dx உடைய வேல்யூ கொடுத்துறான், which is equals to um அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துறான். அப்ப dy by dx உடைய வேல்யூ என்னன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா u power m, அதை டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா m into u power m minus 1 into u டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ண dy by dx, du by dx. யூசுவலா y equals to vx ன்னு எடுப்பேன். அப்ப dy by dx உடைய வேல்யூ வந்து v plus x. நீங்க y உடைய வேல்யூ u power m, wherever y comes அங்க u power m நம்ம போட்டாகணும். அப்ப therefore dy by dx எப்படி சொல்லலாம்னா m u power m minus 1 into y du by dx is equals to 4x power 6 minus y power 4. y என்றது என்னது? u power m. So I can write this as u power m அப்படின்றத u power 4m ன்னு எடுக்கலாம், divided by 2x power 4 into y. your y is equals to u power m. சரிங்களா? அப்ப இது என்ன ஆயிடும்னா m u power m minus 1 into du by dx is equals to 4x power 6 minus u power m. இதை கீழே கொண்டு வந்துடலாம் கூட இல்லையா? இந்த u power m minus 1 கீழே கொண்டு வந்துட்டா we'll get 4x power 6 divided by u power m minus 1 கீழே வந்துருமா? அப்போ கீழே வரும்போது என்ன ஆயிடும், m minus 1 கேன்சல் ஆயிடும். அப்போ therefore இதை ஆட் பண்ணுங்க, m minus 1 plus m minus m, அப்போ 2m minus 1 வரும். அப்போ 2mx power 4 u power 2m minus 1 இது கீழே வந்துருச்சுன்னா இப்போ பாருங்க, இந்த du by dx dy by dx கம்பேர் பண்ணுங்க. சரிங்களா? you forget about the denominator. இங்க மேல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இங்க 4x power 6 இருக்கு, இங்க y power 4 இருக்கு. இங்க u is equals to m இருக்கு அங்க இருக்கு. அப்ப therefore I can say your 4m இல்லையா, சரி u power 4m வரும். அப்ப 4m உடைய வேல்யூ என்ன அப்படின்னா minus u power 4m, கரெக்டா, which is equals to minus u power 4m. அப்போ ஆக்சுவலி வந்து ஹோமோஜீனியஸ் டிகிரியா இருந்ததுன்னா பவர் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும். இங்க என்ன இருக்கு பவர் 6, இங்க என்ன இருக்கு பவர் 4m, இது ரெண்டும் ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்கும் இல்லையா. அப்ப therefore your 4m is equal to 6, m is equals to 3/2. That is answer. Please take down. So with this we'll stop today. We will continue in the next class. So any doubt you can ask me. So பாருங்க இன்னைக்கு கொஞ்சம் பேர் தான் வந்திருக்கீங்க, I think so இல்லையா. only half of the students இல்லையா அட்டென்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. in the next class I expecting everyone to join the next class. Maybe the Christmas holidays அதனால கொஞ்சம் போயிருக்கோம். in the next class I wish everyone to join because the next unit is next topic is very important, linear differential equation. மேக்ஸிமம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அது என்ட்ரன்ஸா இருக்கட்டும், உங்களுடைய போர்டு எக்ஸாம் இருக்கட்டும், லீனியர் டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷன் இல்லாத கொஸ்டின் பேப்பரே நம்ம பார்க்கறதுனால கஷ்டம், ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். அதனால with this we'll stop today. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you very much. Any doubts? முடிச்சிடலாமா?
Yes, sir.
Right, ma. Okay, right. Bye. Take care. I will see you in the next class. Bye, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, ma.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.